Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can message people on Valorant. So you can message them from your friend list here. For instance, this one, just right click and then select send message, and it's going to send them a message like hello, but I'm not going to do that. You can also say hello to your party if you have friends on your party. You can also send your messages to your teammates. I'm not really sure what this does, but I don't. You cannot send messages to friends who are offline, of course. But yeah, if you want to chat all, you're just going to press Shift All, Control All, I think, to message like the whole people who are playing Valorant, like not just your team. For team, it's I think. Oh, for party, it's like /P, and then for all, it's Control or Shift All. Um, but that's pretty much how you can message people in Valorant. As you can see, there's these two that you can sort of set up here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!